bit. Every weak entity set can be converted to a strong entity set by dash. Option A, simply adding appropriate attributes. Option B, using generalization. Option C, using aggregation. Option C, repeating the entity set several times. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, simply adding appropriate attributes. Second bit, an entity relational diagram having same entity set appears several times is dash. Option A, good practice. Option B, bad practice. Option C, effective using of entities. Option D, no effect on efficiency of design. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option B, bad practice. Third bit, a relational model which allows non-atomic domains is dash. Option A, nested relational data model. Option B, non-atomic data model. Option C, hierarchical data model. Option D, such model cannot exist. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, nested relational data model. Fourth bit, a database which conforms to an entity relationship diagram can be represented by a dash. Option A, collection of tables. Option B, tuple. Option C, relation X. Option D, none of the above. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, collection of tables. Fifth bit, if E1 and E2 are relational algebra expressions, then which of the following is not a relational algebra expression? Option A, E1 union E2. Option B, E1 by E2. Option C, E1 minus E2. Option D, E1 into E2. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option B, E1 by E2. Sixth bit, a modification to the database expression in terms of a view must be translated to the dash. Option A, actual relations in the conceptual model of the database. Option B, queries in the actual database. Option C, relation of all the views of the database. Option D, need not to be translated and the view of a database accommodate the modifications. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, actual relations in the conceptual model of the database. Seventh bit, tuple variables in SQL are defined in dash. Option A, form clause. Option B, select. Option C, where clause. Option D, none of this. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, for clause. Eighth bit, which of this is an aggregate function in SQL? Option A, average. Option B, select. Option C, ordered by. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option A, average. Ninth bit, QL is a query language for the following database. Option A, D-based 4. Option B, Oracle. Option C, Ingress. Option D, D-based 2. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option C, Ingress. 10th bit, every Boyke code form is in dash. Option A, first normal form. Option B, second normal form. Option C, third normal form. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese. Option C, third normal form. 11th bit, MS-DOS stands for dash. Option A, Microsoft Disk Operating System. Option B, micro division operating system. Option C, micro disk operating system. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ డిస్క్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. 12th bit. Ethernet is an example of dash. Option A, LAN. Option B, MAN. Option C, WAN. Option D, WAN. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ LAN, local area network. 13th bit. TCP IP is a dash. Option A, programming language. Option B, protocol. Option C, compiler. Option D, operating system. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, protocol. 14th bit. The internet is based on the dash protocol suite. Option A, SNA. Option B, X25. Option C, TCP IP. Option D, ATP. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, TCP IP. 15th bit. The email is dash messaging. Option A, synchronous. Option B, asynchronous. Option C, sometimes synchronous. Option D, sometimes asynchronous. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, asynchronous. 16th bit. FTP stands for option A, file transfer protocol. Option B, fax transfer protocol. Option C, fixed transfer price. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, file transfer protocol. 17th bit. ATM stands for dash. Option A, automated teller machine. Option B, anytime money. Option C, account transfer. Option D, Andhra teller money. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, automated teller machine. 18th bit. Dash is a printed circuit card inside the computer. Option A, motherboard. Option B, CPU. Option C, CU. Option D, ALU. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, motherboard. 19th bit. The cache money is also logically connected to the dash. Option A, CPU. Option B, software. Option C, motherboard. Option D, ALU. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, motherboard. 20th bit. RAM stands for dash. Option A, random access management. Option B, random access memory. Option C, read only memory. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, random access memory. 21st bit. Direct or random access of element is not possible in dash. Option A, linked list. Option B, array. Option C, string. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, linked list. 22nd bit. Odd man out in linked list. Option A, modify. Option B, replace. Option C, to determine if it is empty. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, to determine if it is empty. 23rd bit. The nth node in single linked list is accessed via where n is greater than 1. Option A, the head node. Option B, the tail node. Option C, n minus 1 nodes. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి n-1 nodes. 24th bit. Linear order in linked list provide through dash. Option A, index number. Option B, the implemented position of the node. Option C, pointer. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, pointer. 25th bit. Null pointer is used to tell option A, end of the linked list. Option B, empty pointer field of a structure. Option C, the linked list is empty. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 26th bit. List pointer variable in linked list contains address of the option A, following nodes in the list. Option B, current node in the list. Option C, first node in the list. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, first node in the list. 27th bit. Underflow condition in linked list may occur when attempting to dash. Option A, insert a new node when there is no free place for it. Option D, delete a non-existent node in the list. Option C, delete a node in empty list. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, delete a node in empty list. 28th bit. Overflow condition in linked list may occur when attempting to dash. Option A, insert a new node when there is no free space for it. Option B, traverse the nodes when free space pool is empty. Option C, create a new node when linked list is empty. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, insert a new node when there is no free space for it. 29th bit. Searching a linked list requires linked list be created. Option A, in sorted order only. Option B, in any order. Option C, without underflow condition. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, in any order. 30th bit. Header of a linked list is a special node at the option A, end of the linked list. Option B, at middle of the list. Option C, beginning of the linked list. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, beginning of the linked list. 31st bit. The information that gets transformed to encryption is dash. Option A, plain text. Option B, parallel text. Option C, encrypted text. Option D, decrypted text. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, plain text. 32nd bit. Code division multiple axis differ from time division multiplication axis because there is no option A, bandwidth. Option B, time sharing. Option C, link. Option D, carrier. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, time sharing. 33rd bit. In carrier sense, multiple axis possibilities of collision still exist because of option A, propagation delay. Option B, sender receiver delay. Option C, sense delay. Option D, transmit delay. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, propagation delay. 34th bit. Protocol that is used to transmit data without any scheduled time is option A, random access. Option B, controlled access. Option C, channelization. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ random access. 35th bit. Carrier sense multiple axes is based on media called dash. Option A, listen before talk. Option B, listen before sending. Option C, sense before transmit. Option D, sense before collision. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, సెన్స్ బిఫోర్ ట్రాన్స్మిట్. 36th bit. Transmission media are directly controlled by the dash. Option A, data link layer. Option B, network layer. Option C, physical layer. Option D, session layer. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, ఫిజికల్ లేయర్. 37th bit. Ray or light reacts and moves closer to surface. The angle of incidence is dash. Option A, equal to the critical angle. Option B, less than the critical angle. Option C, not equal to the critical angle. Option D, greater than critical angle. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, less than the critical angle. 38 bit. Guided media provides a conduct form. One device to another includes dash. Option A, twisted pair cable. Option B, fiber optic cable. Option C, coaxial cable. Option D, all of the above. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, all of the above. 39th bit. Network layer firewall works as a dash. Option A, frame filter. Option B, packet filter. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, ప్యాకెట్ ఫిల్టర్. 40th bit. Network layer firewall has two subcategories as dash. Option A, stateful firewall and stateless firewall. Option B, bit oriented firewall and byte oriented firewall. Option C, frame firewall and packet firewall. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, stateful firewall and stateless firewall. 41st bit. Any C program, option A, must contain at least one function. Option B, need not contain any function. Option C, needs input data. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, must contain at least one function. 42nd bit. Storage class defines dash. Option A, the type of data. Option B, the scope. Option C, the scope and performance. Option D, the scope, performance and data type. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, the scope and performance. 43rd bit. The parameter passing mechanism for any array is dash. Option A, call by value. Option B, call by value result. Option C, call by reference. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, కాల్ బై వాల్యూ. 44th bit. The maximum number of dimensions a array can have in C is dash. Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, compiler dependent. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, కంపైలర్ డిపెండెంట్. 45th bit. The default parameter passing mechanism is dash. Option A, call by reference. Option B, call by value result. Option C, call by value. Option D, none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి Option C, call by value. 46th bit, the inline function reduces dash. Option A, execution time. Option B, programming size. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, execution time. 47th bit, which of the following are keywords of C++? Option A, bull. Option C, class. Option C, inline. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 48th bit, not initialization, a reference variable when it is declared is dash. Option A, syntax error. Option B, complex time error. Option C, runtime error. Option D, none of them. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, syntax error. 49th bit, default arguments are the dash arguments in a function parameter list. Option A, leftmost. Option B, middle. Option C, rightmost. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, rightmost. 50th bit, single line C++ comments begin with dash. Direct answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, double slash. First bit, in DC generator, option A, both armature and magnetic field rotates. Option B, armature is stationary and magnetic field is rotating. Option C, magnetic field is stationary and armature is rotating. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, armature is stationary and magnetic field is rotating. Second bit, prime mover in DC generator is used to rotate dash. Option A, both armature and magnetic field. Option B, armature only. Option C, magnetic field only. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, armature only. Third bit, the type of EMF induced in armature conductors of DC generator is dash. Option A, self-induced EMF. Option B, mutual induced EMF. Option C, dynamically induced EMF. Option D, no EMF is induced. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, dynamically induced EMF. Fourth bit, field coils of DC machine are made of dash. Option A, silver. Option B, carbon. Option C, aluminum. Option D, carbon. Answer guess చేయండి friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, copper. Fifth bit, armature of a DC machine is built up of dash. Option A, silver lamination. Option B, steel lamination. Option C, carbon lamination. Option D, aluminum lamination. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, steel lamination. Sixth bit, the ends of the armature coils are joined to dash. Option A, field coils. Option B, commutator segments. Option C, brushes. Option D, any of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, commutator segments. Seventh bit, in DC generator, the commutators dash. Option A, converts alternating current to unidirectional current. Option B, converts unidirectional current to alternating current. Option C, rotate the armature in a particular direction. Option D, improves the commutation. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ కన్వర్ట్స్ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ కరెంట్ టు యూనిడైరెక్షనల్ కరెంట్. 8th bit. The commutator segments are separated by dash. Option A cotton insulation. Option B mica insulation. Option C press board. Option D oil insulation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D oil insulation. 9th bit. The brushes in a DC machines are made of dash. Option A aluminium. Option B steel. Option C mica. Option D carbon. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D carbon. 10th bit. By using dash, the current in the external circuit of DC generator is maintained in unidirection. Option A slip rings. Option B brushes. Option C split rings. Option D none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C split rings. 11th bit. A TDM system. Option A needs lower bandwidth. Option B gives low signal to noise ratio. Option C uses simple circuits as compared to FDM system. Option D has all above characteristics. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B gives low signal to noise ratio. 12th bit. Which one of the following is not necessarily the advertising of SSB ever AM? Option A less powered handle. Option B simple circuitry. Option C less bandwidth required for SSB. Option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B simple circuitry. 13th bit. Which of the following is not the result of modulation? Option A reduction in bandwidth. Option B transmission over long distance. Option C separation of different transmissions. Option D all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A reduction in bandwidth. 14th one. In communications, the sampling technique used lead to dash. Option A higher efficiency. Option B cheaper equipment. Option C higher speed of communication. Option D all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C higher speed of communications. 15th bit. The adverse effect of noise in a communication system is maximum in dash. Option A encoder. Option B receiver. Option C source. Option D channel. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D channel. 16th bit. In order to get back the original signal from the sampled signal, it is necessary to use dash. Option A high pass filter. Option B low pass filter. Option C band pass filter. Option D band reject filter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B low pass filters. 17th bit. Channel capacity is exactly equal to dash. Option A amount of information per second. Option B bandwidth of demand. Option C noise rate in the demand. Option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A amount of information per second. 18th bit. The capacity of a channel is dash. Option A number of digits used in coding. Option B volume of information it can take. Option C bandwidth required for information. Option D maximum rate of information transmission. Answer guess cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి maximum rate of information transmission. 19th bit. DIT is a unit of dash. Option A entropy, option B channel capacity, option C information, option D rate of information. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. 20th bit. 1 DIT equals to dash. Option A 1 bit, option B 1.7 bits, option C 3.32 bits, option D 10 bits. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి 3.32 bits. 21st bit. The aluminum frame in moving coil meter will dash. Option A supports the coil and provide damping by eddy current induced in it. Option B only supports the coil. Option C only provide damping by eddy current induced in it. Option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A supports the coil and provide damping by eddy current induced in it. 22nd bit. The type of damping used in permanent magnet moving coil meter is dash. Option A air friction, option B eddy current, option C liquid friction, option D any of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B eddy current. 23rd bit. In dynamometer moving coil, instrument deflecting turquoise is dash. Option A inversely proportional to the coil current. Option B proportional to the coil current. Option C proportional to square of the coil current. Option D 0. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C proportional to square of the coil current. 24th bit. The instrument which is cheapest for DC measurements is dash. Option A moving iron, option B PMMC, option C hot wire, option D dynamometer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A moving iron. 25th bit. Air friction damping and gravity control is used in dash. Option A dynamometer type, option B PMMC, option C attraction type moving iron, option D repulsion type moving iron. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C attraction type moving iron. 26th bit. The shunt temperature coefficient must be dash. Option A very low, option B very high, option C both A and B, option D any of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A very low. 27th bit. 1 ohm and below the value are called. Option A high resistance, option B medium resistance, option C low resistance, option D none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C low resistance. 28th bit. Example of low resistance is option A armature and series field resistance, option B armature shunt resistance, option C cable insulation, option D all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all of this. 29th bit. For measuring low resistance, which method is used? Option A ammeter voltmeter method, option B potentiometer method, option C Kelvin's double bridge method, option D all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all of this. 30th bit. Wheatstone bridge method is used to find option A voltage, option B current, option C power, option D resistance. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి Option D, resistance. 31st bit, redundancy in communication system. Option A, reduce efficiency of communication. Option B, helps to detect error. Option C, helps to correct error. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 32nd bit, amount of information in a continuous signal is dash. Option A, 0. Option B, bytes. Option C, bits. Option D, infinite. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, infinite. 33rd bit, cosmic noise is caused by dash. Option A, lightning discharge. Option B, distant stars. Option C, solar eruption. Option D, industrial electrical discharges. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, distant stars. 34th bit, thermal noise voltage in a resistor R at temperature T is dash. Option A, proportional to T. Option B, proportional to T square. Option C, proportional to root T. Option D, independent of T. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, proportional to T square. 35th bit, in FM broadcast, the maximum modulation frequency is restricted. Option A, 15 kHz. Option B, 10 kHz. Option C, 5 kHz. Option D, 20 kHz. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 15 kHz. 36th bit, which of the following receiver does not have amplitude limiter stage? Option A, AM. Option B, FM. Option C, both AM and FM. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, AM. 37th bit, which of the following will carry the same information as the AM wave itself? Option A, VSB only. Option B, VSB and SSB. Option C, SSB, VSB and DSB. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 38th bit, in which of the following modulating system, when the modulating frequency is doubled, the modulating index also becomes dash? Option A, AM. Option B, PM. Option C, FM. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, PM. 39th bit, in phase modulation, the modulation index M is proportional to option A, signal strength. Option B, carrier voltage. Option C, modulating frequency. Option D, carrier frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, modulating frequency. 40th bit, in FM, option A, noise decreases by increasing deviation. Option B, noise decreases by decreasing deviation. Option C, noise decreases by maintaining deviation constant. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, noise decreases by increasing deviation. 41st bit, a solar cell is converted into dash. Option A, heat energy into electrical energy. Option B, solar energy into electrical energy. Option C, heat energy into light energy. Option D, solar energy into light energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, solar energy into electrical energy. 42nd bit, a solar cell converts dash. Option A, carbon. Option B, magnesium. Option C, telephone. Option D, silicon. Answer guess cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి సిలికాన్. 43rd bit. The cheapest plant in operation and maintenance is option A steam power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C diesel power plant, option D hydroelectric power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి హైడ్రోఎలక్ట్రిక్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 44th bit. Dash requires less space. Option A diesel power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C thermal power plant, option D hydroelectric power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి డీజిల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 45th bit. The most suitable power plant for traffic signal light is option A nuclear power plant, option B solar power plant, option D hydroelectric power plant, option D diesel power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి సోలార్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 46th bit. Steam turbines are used in dash. Option A thermal power plant, option B solar power plant, option C hydroelectric power plant, option D diesel power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ థర్మల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 47th bit. Static electricity is produced due to dash. Option A friction, option B light, option C magnetic, option D heat. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫ్రిక్షన్. 48th bit. Dash is used for the place where the continuous requirement of electricity is needed. Option A atomic power plant, option B gas power plant, option C diesel power plant, option D thermal power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి డీజిల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 49th bit. The most simple and keen plant is option A hydroelectric power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C steam power plant, option D gas power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ hydroelectric power plant. 50th bit. In hydroelectric power plant, option A kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, option B mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, option C potential energy is converted into electrical energy, option D heat energy is converted into electrical energy. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఇస్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 50 ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ గెయిన్ చేశారు అనేది కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయడం మటుకి మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.